Hello, my shining stars. How are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I am back with subject EVS. In EVS, we had started our chapter number 3, Plants Around Us. Right? After completing chapter 1, My Home, chapter 2, My School, we had reached up to chapter 3, Plants Around Us. प्लांट्स अराउंड अस में सबसे पहले आपने पढ़ा द मेन 4 पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट विच वेर दे यस रूट स्टेम लीफ एंड फ्लावर राइट चिल्ड्रन हमने इन सारे पार्ट्स के बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ा यस आफ्टर दैट यू लर्न दैट देर आर मैनी प्लांट्स अराउंड अस some are big and some are short. So the plants which are big, strong, tall are known as trees. हमने trees के examples भी देखे. Which were the examples? Yes, neem tree, pine tree, banyan tree, mango tree, coconut tree. Right? इन trees के बारे में भी हमने डिटेल में स्टडी की. After that you learned the plants which are short and which are very bushy and have many branches are known as shrubs. In short, the plants which are hard and woody are known as shrubs, right? So, which were the examples of the shrubs? Yes, rose, cotton, hibiscus. हमने ये एग्जाम्पल के बारे में भी डिटेल में पढ़ा है हमारी प्रीवियस वीडियो में ओके आफ्टर दैट यू लर्न दैट द स्मॉल प्लांट्स विच आर वीक स्टेम एंड हैव सॉफ्ट स्टेम आर नोन एज हर्ब्स राइट हर्ब्स हम किचन वर्क में भी यूज़ करते हैं मम्मा के उसमें खाने में भी यूज़ करते हैं हर्ब से बहुत सारी मेडिसिन्स भी बनती है right so what were the examples of the herbs tulsi mint coriander turnip and you learned the grass is also a herb right so these were the example of the herbs after that what you learned yes you learned about creepers yes you learned that the plants whose stems are weak and can't grow straight they grow along the ground that are known as creepers right क्रीपर्स में आपने एग्जाम्पल देखा था पम्पकिन का जिसमें हमने पम्पकिन के बहुत सारे यूजेस भी पढ़े थे राइट पम्पकिन को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं कद्दू ओके सो आफ्टर स्टडिंग ऑल दीज पार्ट्स टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट क्लाइंबर्स Today we are going to learn about climbers. See children, some plants have weak stems. Okay, they can't grow like trees. They can't grow like plants. So how they grow? They need support to grow. Okay, they grow along the ट्री के ऊपर ग्रो होते हैं या कोई स्टिक की हेल्प से ग्रो होते हैं या कोई दीवार पे ऐसे ग्रो होते हैं ओके दैट आर नोन एज क्लाइंबर्स ओके वो ग्रो होते हैं उसके बाद उससे ऐसे रस्सी से हमको टाई करना होता है वॉल पे यू मे टाई देम ऑन वॉल और स्टिक या फिर ऐसे ट्री से भी वो ग्रो होते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ सपोर्ट वो सपोर्ट के बिना ग्रो नहीं हो सकते ओके सो द स्टेम्स आर वेरी वीक दैट आर नोन एज क्लाइंबर्स CLIMBERS climbers so what are the examples of the climbers pea plant and money plant आपने क्रीपर्स में भी पढ़ा राइट सो क्रीपर्स में आपने पढ़ा कि वो ज़मीन पे ग्रो होते हैं क्लाइंबर्स में भी वो ज़मीन पे ही ग्रो होते हैं बट क्लाइंबर्स में हम ऐसे उन्हें इस तरीके से ग्रो होने देते हैं कि वो सपोर्ट से ऊपर ग्रो हो जाए ओके सो एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द क्लाइंबर्स आर pea plant and money plant first is PEA PLANT plant So how are pea plant helpful to us? Let us see. Yes, pea plant are filling an excellent source of protein. They support in healthy blood sugar control. The fiber in the pea is helpful for the digestion process. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो पी प्लांट जो है बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इसमें बहुत रिच सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन, मतलब प्रोटीन बहुत अच्छा खासा मिलता है हमें ये खाने से. उसके बाद हेल्दी ब्लड शुगर कंट्रोल. जिस भी ह्यूमन बीइंग को ब्लड शुगर की प्रॉब्लम है, पी प्लांट उन्हें भी हेल्पफुल रहते हैं. आफ्टर दैट दे ऑल्सो हेल्प इन डाइजेशन प्रोसेस. ओके, यस. नेक्स्ट इज मनी प्लांट. सो मनी प्लांट हमारे लिए कैसे यूजफुल है? यस चिल्ड्रन, मनी प्लांट घर में लगाने से एक पॉजिटिविटी आती है. ओके, द मनी प्लांट शेयर्स अ डोज ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी इन योर होम. इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. आपका घर और भी ब्यूटीफुल लगेगा जब आप मनी प्लांट लगाओगे तो. राइट, आपने 100% में श्योर हूँ आपने देखा ही होगा. राइट चिल्ड्रन, यस. Money plant purifies the air and acts as the anti-radiator at home. Okay children? Yes, there are many more examples of the climber like sweet gourd, जिसे आप हिंदी में पेठा कहते हैं, bitter gourd, जिसे आप हिंदी में करेला कहते हैं, and bottle gourd, जिसे आप हिंदी में लौकी कहते हैं. These are the examples of the climbers. Yes. See children, now moving to our next point, all the plants need different weather conditions to grow. Okay, सारे प्लांट एक ही जगह नहीं ग्रो हो सकते. सारे प्लांट ठंडी में जहाँ पे ज़्यादा ठंड हो वहाँ नहीं ग्रो हो सकते, या फिर सारे प्लांट जहाँ पे ज़्यादा गर्मी हो, हॉट वेदर हो, वहाँ पे ग्रो नहीं हो सकते. ईच एंड एवरी प्लांट नीड्स डिफरेंट वेदर कंडीशंस टू ग्रो. Okay, so now we are going to study that. First we are going to study that which plants can grow in hot and dry places like deserts. Okay, hot and dry places पे जहाँ पे वेदर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो, बहुत ज़्यादा एटमॉस्फेयर हॉट हो और ड्राई हो, मतलब जहाँ पानी ज़्यादा नहीं हो, लाइक डेजर्ट्स. ओके, डेजर्ट्स में पानी अवेलेबल ज़्यादा नहीं होता है और वेदर जो है वो ज़्यादा गर्म ही रहता है. Right, so in that places which plant can grow? Let us see. Our first plant is cactus. CACTUS, cactus. So many plants grow on land. Some plants like cactus grow in hot and dry places like deserts. Okay, तो deserts में ज़्यादा क्या grow होते हैं? Cactus. CACTUS, cactus. Cactus is used in making medicines. Yes children, cactus से बहुत सारी medicines भी बनती है. Okay, and after that cactus also supports healthy control in diabetes. जिन लोगों को डायबिटीज़ है उन्हें भी cactus से बहुत सारे फायदे होते हैं. Cactus is only the plant which can grow and survive in such a hot and dry conditions. Okay, and the flower of the cactus are very magnificent. Okay children, yes, some vegetables like sweet potatoes and green beans also grow where there is lot of heat. Okay children, yes. Next is the trees or plants which can grow in the cold areas, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है. Other places, others like fir tree grow in hills or mountains when there is cold. Yes children, जहाँ ठंडी होती है वहाँ भी plants grow होते हैं. So the first example is fir tree. Which tree? FIR, fir, TREE, tree. Fir tree. People use the shoot and oil for medicine. Fir tree is also the food for the caterpillar. Some people apply fir directly to the skin and muscles pain. Okay children, so these are the uses of fir tree. There are many other trees and plants which grow in cold region, that means on mountains. Which are they? Let us see. Kale, Carrots and turnips also grow in cold regions. Okay, children? Yes. Next is plants like lily and lotus grow in the water in lakes and ponds. Yes, children. Some plants also grow in lakes and ponds. That means कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जो पानी में ही grow होते हैं. So which are they? Yes. First is water lily. Water lily is a flower, name of a flower, right? So it is similar to the lily, but it is known as water lily as it grows in the water itself, right? So what are the uses of water lily? Let us see. The bulb and the root are used to make many medicines, and it is useful for the diseases of mouth and throat. Okay, next is lotus, 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 lotus. So lotus is our national flower, right? The lotus flower, seed, leaves and parts of the underground parts are used to make many of the medicines. After that, lotus flower are used to stop bleeding. Yes, children. जब भी कोई बॉडी से खून निकल रहा हो, so lotus flower is helpful for stop the bleeding. After that, lotus seeds are used for disorders of the digestive problems like diarrhea. Okay, so lotus plant is very useful. There are many other amazing plants which you all can grow at home in water. They can be philodendron, lucky bamboo, spider plant, photos and Chinese evergreen and dumpkin. You all can grow these plants at home in water. Okay, children? Yes. So here we completed our chapter number 3, plants around us. Plants around us. Let us recall fast. What did you study in this chapter? Yes, the plants which are big, strong and straight, that are known as trees. Example of the trees are mango tree, neem tree, coconut tree. After that, the plants which are short and bushy and have many branches are known as shrubs. The example of the shrubs are rose, hibiscus and cotton. After that, you learn the plants which are short, soft and weak are known as herbs. The example of the herbs are grass, tulsi, mint, right? After that, you learn that some plants grow along the ground which are known as creepers. Example of the creepers is pumpkin. After that, you learn that some plants need support to grow. They need support of walls, sticks or trees that are known as climbers. Example of the climbers are pea plant and money plant. After that, you learn that different plants need different weather conditions to grow. Right? Some plants grow in the hot and dry places like deserts. So the example of the trees which can grow in hot and dry places, cactus. We learnt about the uses and detail regarding cactus. After that, you learn that some plants need cold weather to grow. They grow in the mountains. Which are they? Yes, fig tree. After that, you learn that some plants grow in water. Some plants grow in water or lakes or ponds. The example of the such plants are lotus and water lily. Okay, children, plants are very useful to us. The main motive of this chapter is to know the importance of the plant, right? Plants बहुत important है. As I have told you that plants give us oxygen, plants give us wood, plants give us food to eat and many more things, right? हमें हमारे आसपास प्लांट्स ग्रो करना चाहिए. घर में एटलीस्ट 2 छोटे प्लांट्स तो होने ही चाहिए. इससे आपके घर में जो एयर है वो बहुत फ्रेश रहेगी एंड यू विल फील अ good atmosphere. Okay, children? Yes. Now we will meet in our next EVS lecture. There we will start our new chapter, chapter 4. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to read this chapter, you have to go all through the exercises and learn each and everything. Okay, now we will meet soon. Bye bye, take care.